Inside here we have the farm animals toddler cards. These are great. They have a lovely picture isolated on the front with the name for teacher reference or parent reference on the back. And then you have this, oh, the cow. Look at this. This is wonderful. The cat, chicken, the dog. I love it. Oh, a donkey, very common on farms. And a goat, of course. Horse, of course, horse. And a llama, which is actually pretty common on farms these days. Pig, love that pig. And this little rabbit. Some people are raising rabbits. And a turkey, of course. This is just a wonderful set of cards, and you can get it in a little cloth pouch for storage. Really fantastic.